Hello everybody, I have a quick video for you guys today. I have a brand new mini class that I am offering. It is the Wonderfully Wicked mini class. It features the Wonderfully Wicked stamp set. This is such a cute stamp set for Halloween. And I wanted to offer a mini class because I haven't done very many Halloween things this year. And so I wanted to go ahead and offer this mini class. There are two options for this mini class. You can get the mini class with just the stamp set, or you can get it with the stamp set and the dies. So here are the cards that you will get to make. There's 4 cards. They feature the Monster Bash designer paper, which is super cute. I love this paper. And it features some exclusive items as well. So you'll make 4 cards. You will get all of the pieces to make each of the cards. You will get a video showing you how to put the cards together and an exclusive PDF with all of the instructions and measurements. So this card right here features these cute bats, and these are exclusive. I used the bat punch from a few years ago. So if you have this, this is a great punch, but if not, it is fun to add these to this card here. We have this one right here that features some exclusive black glimmer paper. I always stock up on this. It's one of my favorite items that we offer, and this was offered a few years ago. So I pulled that out for these cards. This one's probably my favorite one. The colors in these cards are crushed curry, pumpkin pie, and basic black. And then we have a little bit of the glimmer and the glitter in it. So this is our next card here. This features this crushed curry ribbon, which is part of this class. You'll see in just 1 minute. And then this is our last card here. I love this one. You can use any of the sentiments. So there's several sentiments on the stamp set. So you could use any of them on any of the cards, or you can mix and match sentiments that you have. So if you want to get just the stamp set with the mini class, it'll be $34.99, and you get a full roll of the crushed curry seam binding ribbon. Okay, so that will be $34.99. You'll get the card kit, the stamp set, and the ribbon. If you would like the dies to go with it, it's $44.99. So this is offered in a bundle, and I don't want you to miss out on saving that 10% if you do want the dies to go with it. The dies just feature the word wicked and then the little spider. So I know some people may not want just that die since it's just 2 dies. And so there's that option. So option 1 is going to be to get the mini class, the cards here, the card kits. It comes with envelopes, and then you'll get the stamp set and the roll of ribbon. I always like to include something in my classes that you guys will be able to use, and for this one, I'm including the crushed curry ribbon because it also goes really well with all of our fall product. So if you're making fall items as well, then you're going to be able to use this ribbon. If you would like to get the dies as well, that is $44.99. You still get all of the pieces and the ribbon. So there is a link to a form. You just fill that out. You pick the item, the option that you want, and then that gets sent to me, and I'll send you out all of the information. This is open all week. I'm closing this on Friday. And there are only 8 kits available. I started out with 10, and on my live on Monday, I had already sold 2. So I have 8 kits available, so make sure that you get your order in right away if you're wanting this mini class. So thank you guys so much for checking out this mini class and hanging out with me today. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.